Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this episode we are going to see about the Forex market review and preview. So let us get into the video. So alright guys, as we saw yesterday about Nifty, even today Nifty has not been able to close below 61.8% retracement level. So Nifty took a strong level of support over here around 14,400 and it's not able to break the support, so it is better for us to wait. And even in the lower time frame I can see that Nifty has not formed any kind of a bearish pattern, so the trend is still in a good strong level at the 61.8%. So only if the market is able to break below 61.8 and that will be around 14,400, then we can expect low of 14,000 to 14,200. So that will be the next target for Nifty if 61 point that is 14,400 breaks. So until then so Nifty is expected to go for a buy when the market is still in a strong level of support. So we can adjust our portfolios as well as for Nifty's buy trend if it again starts tomorrow. And coming to Bank Nifty, so even in today's case scenario, last time I told you about Bank Nifty is in a very good strong position, and all the banking stocks need some concentration, and we have to look for good banking stocks like SBI or HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank. And see, the trend line has been broken and the trend lines retest, and we had a 61% retracement. And still, comparing to Nifty, Bank Nifty did very good today because Nifty came around 137 points, whereas Bank Nifty stood at 200 points. For normally for 130, 140 points in Nifty, Bank Nifty used to fall around 800 to 900 points. So, but I think Bank Nifty is doing well for itself, and the banking stocks are staying strong. So we can look for good stocks in banking, and we can go for investments in Bank Nifty. All right, and then we're going to look at the gold chart. So as I said in last previous video about gold, I said this area is a strong level of support around 1750 was a very strong level of support. I said until and unless the market is able to close below this, we are going for a buy. And fortunately, the support holded, and we just entered around 1798. So now coming to the current market scenario for gold, so now it's around the thousands, it's 1800. So around 1800 is playing as a strong level of resistance. So my suggestion is once the market is able to close above 1800, then we can expect a target of 1823 and the second target of 1843. So my prediction for gold is we can wait until the resistance is broken around 1800. And once the market closes above 1800, we can go for a buy and for a target of 1823 and 1843. And if the resistance is not able to break and the Bank Nifty forms, the gold forms a strong level of resistance, then if at all the gold is able to break around 1780, then we can expect a sell for a double top, and the target will be around 1763 if at all the 1780 breaks and closes below in 1 hour time frame. So that is the prediction for gold as well. So that's for your review and preview today. So alright guys, I hope this video was useful, and I hope you are learning many things from this review and preview sessions. So thank you very much for tuning in, and take care. Bye.